y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanasia. This is your first time watching, and here on my channel I focus on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and I also do a little bit of DIY. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss another upload. So today I want to share with y'all that I think it's not going to be a shift in the channel, but the focus of this year, specifically for myself, I want to share with you all is that I want to realistically invest in myself. So that means like I want to learn different things about my hair, self-care, skincare, mental health, my wardrobe, investing in pieces that last, and also some beauty as well. So I really want to share that with you all, and that leads to today's video, which will be on skincare, and specifically I want to talk hyperpigmentation. So for me personally, I've been dealing with acne ever since I was in elementary school. I'm talking 4th grade, and I'm about to be 30.
Damn. I'm sorry.
So that means we've been dealing, I have been dealing with this for a very long time. So I decided last year, back in 2021, that I wanted to learn my skin a little bit more, be more familiar with the products that I'm using, and make sure that it's working for my skin. And that's exactly what I did. So back in March, I kind of changed some of the products that I use out, and that worked. So my skin cleared up I feel like it cleared up pretty well. So I would get pimples maybe 1 or 2 every blue moon, but majority of my face was clear. So I was super excited about that. My skin was smoother, less texture. A dream for me, for somebody who has been dealing with acne for so long. So during the summer, I decided that I want to expedite the process of me having clear skin, no hyperpigmentation and everything. So I decided to start doing research on products, and one product that really came up where I saw on YouTube, TikTok, just everybody was suggesting this product, was the Dr.Dennis Gross peel pads. And I did a lot of research because the price on those pads, I think for a 30 pack is $99, and I was just if I get this is a investment, because this is not cheap. So during Nordstrom anniversary, they had the pads and the body treatment on sale for $178. It was a value pack. So you got 60 of the peel pads for your face. So the peel pads is a 2-step process. It's the exfoliator, and then it's a neutralizer that you use. And then you got maybe, let me check. All right, I was right. So you got 60 applications of the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Facial Peels, and then you also got 16 applications of the exfoliating body treatment. So I'll tell y'all about both. So I got them, but I didn't start using it until September because I had places I need to go, and I was not about to sacrifice my face for anything, because my face, I felt like it was doing well. So I waited. So in September, I started using it. I'll put pictures up, and I began using it every other day, the facial pads. I started using it every other day, and my skin just started breaking out. It started breaking out. My face became textured. I had pimples basically all over my face. Y'all know I love the Dollar Tree, dollar store, whatever we want to call it. I like the pimple patches. And when I tell you, I had about 5 of those pimple patches on my face at one time. 5 of them, because I was trying my hardest to save my face. So after that happened, I decided maybe I need to change things up. Maybe I need to use a moisturizer. Maybe start using it every day. I got to the next week, the first day, and I was just I ain't using this no more. I am not using this anymore. It is breaking up my skin. I'm not about to sacrifice my skin. This is $178. I felt so defeated, for one. And I started thinking about it. I was like, $178. It'll be cheaper if I went to a dermatologist and had them subscribe me some retinol. Because before, when I was like in middle school, in high school, in the beginning of college, I was using retinol. So I was been using retinol for a long time. So I was just like, I could just do that. So, you know me, stop using that. But pause, let me tell you about body treatments. Body treatments, they work. I use 2 of them. Works flawlessly. I would say also, if you're using it, your hand will peel from you having it, like wiping it on your body. So please use a glove, but it works. But back to the face, because I want to tell y'all that. So I stopped using that, and then I went back to high gear using the products I normally use for my face. My cleansers, my exfoliator, my mask, everything. I started using those into high gear. But it did leave some dark marks, some scars, hyperpigmentation, new marks, hello, on my face. So I already bought some products for my hyperpigmentation that I wanted to try. Actually, it was just like one product. So that actually worked. So now we're about to get into the portion of the video of me sharing things that actually worked. So at Ulta, I picked up the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. And this is what it looks like. It has a dropper. The dropper is kind of hard to use, but this is what it looks like. And you put like a little bit on your hand and just rub it into your face. And then once you rub it into your face, you wait, and then for it to dry, and then you put on like your moisturizer, your SPF as well. So I started using that right after, and it really did help with those dark marks from September, in September, all the way to, I would say, end of October, early November. I had a lot of scarring right here from using the peel pads, and it was pretty much gone. So for this to be $12 and it works, pick this up. And I just really like it. It doesn't smell bad. And I don't know, you can't use coupons on this, I don't think. You can try it, but also I don't think you can. But I really do like it, and I still continue to use it. I use this day and night. Sometimes I would use it both day and night the same day, but I really try not to. I try to do one or the other. But if I wear it during the day, I make sure that I use SPF. And SPF actually does help with discoloration as well, because when like you're outside, you know, like your skin gets tan. You know, the sun, you know, doesn't even matter if the sun is out, you still need to use SPF. So the 2 that I use, the 2 sunscreens, Black Girl Sunscreen, I've shared this with y'all multiple times, SPF 30. This is really for the body, but it says you can use it for your face. I use the 2-finger rule with using this product. And also I use Mele, this one, specifically for the face. I really do love this. Get it from Target, and this is the Do the Most Sheer Moisturizer. This is also SPF 30. Smells good to me. And yeah, the difference between these two is that this one is like, I would say, a pure sunscreen, so it takes a while for you to like work it into your skin, versus this one, you put it like on your skin, on your face, and in no time it's rubbed in. But Black Girl Sunscreen does have one strictly for the face, but that's what I use. And also during, I would say, end of December, January, I had it in the video that I did pick up Topicals Faded cream, the serum, and I really do like this. So let me make sure that I'm telling y'all right. So this is a gel-like serum, and it reduces the look of stubborn marks, scars, and also spots. I would say that this really does work on those stubborn marks and scars. So you really, I feel like this camera is really good. I use a Sony camera. It makes my face look better than what it really looks. So you can tell, like right here, you can see on my nose I have a mark. That's a different story. That's new to the family. But right here, this has always been here, but it's been extremely darker. Also on this side has never been too bad, but you can definitely see that it's some marks there. So that used to be dark, I would say. And within me using it from the time I told y'all in December, January, all the way till now, February, this is real different. This is real light. It's giving like we're fading into the skin, like we're fading, hence faded. And also this is black owned too, just want to say that. But it really does work. A lot of people complain about the smell of this product. Okay, I would say that it's not a pleasant smell, but if you use Ambi, which has like a faded cream, it smells just like that. So to me, the smell does not bother me at all. But faded, I just use during the nighttime. Not during but I use during my nighttime routine. I make sure that I incorporate this in before I put on my moisturizer, which is the CeraVe Healing Ointment, because my skin is dry. And if you want to see what that looks like, it's this. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this for nighttime, and also using this, the Good Molecules. That has been the two things that I used for my skin that's really been helping with my hyperpigmentation. It actually got my skin on the mends because I was looking crazy from September to October. When that was going on, my skin, like, we was just textured out here, bumps. Like, I went all the way back to when I did not know what I was doing with my skin. Like, that's how bad it was. Well, I'm so happy that my skin is getting better. But anywho, if y'all know some products that you think that I should try, I wouldn't say treatments, because we're not trying to get expensive. You know, we're realistically investing in ourselves. So if y'all know like any products, please let me know. Put that down in the comments. I'm so excited to take y'all on this journey with me of investing in myself. So this is like, I'll keep y'all updated. I just really keep y'all updated on the skin thing. But anywho, I'm rambling. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss another upload. And I will see you all next time. Bye, y'all.